Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove a payment method on Pizza Hut. Open the website pizzahut.com, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right side of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Then a drop-down list will appear. There, you will see an option for Profile. Click on Profile. At the upper part of this page, you will see several tabs. Click on the tab that says Payment Methods. Under Credit Cards, you will see the list of your cards. On the card, you will see an option for Delete. Click on Delete. Then, a pop-up message will appear asking if you are sure to delete the selected card. To continue, click on Delete. That's how you remove a payment method on Pizza Hut. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.